Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch local channels on your Hulu TV. So to watch the local channels on your Hulu TV, what you have to do is you can simply go to the live section in the middle of the screen. So when you open the live section, you can see that all of the channels and the live channels are in this area. So when you click on local, it is going to show all of the local channels that are available on Hulu. For example, all of these channels are your local channels. You can play any channel that you want. You can open, for example, I opened the Fox News, the Fox TV, and as you can see, there are different shows that are playing currently live or that are available upcoming on the Fox TV. So you can watch any channel that you want to watch, and this is how you can watch local channels on your Hulu TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.